Welcome to SmartApplicant, your ultimate career companion for landing more interviews and job offers. Today, I'll walk you through how to make the most out of this powerful app. In just 3 simple stages, SmartApplicant transforms your resume into an interview magnet. First, we'll fine-tune your resume structure with ATS Optimization, making sure your resume passes applicant tracking systems with a high score. Next, we'll move on to job matching, where SmartApplicant analyzes your resume against a specific job description, giving you a suitability score and practical ways to improve. Finally, we'll unlock the tailoring feature, where our AI rewrites your resume to perfectly match any role you're applying for. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll see exactly how SmartApplicant helps you stand out, get noticed, and secure more interview opportunities. Let's get started.
Let's start with a simple resume scan. On the SmartApplicant homepage, you don't even need to log in. Just scroll down to the Upload section, click the Upload button, and choose your resume file. Next, hit the Analyze Resume button. In just a few seconds, SmartApplicant scans your resume and generates a detailed report. Here you can see the ATS score. In this example, the score is quite low, around 40%. Along with the score, SmartApplicant highlights key details it extracted from the resume and provides clear action points for improvement. These suggestions guide you on exactly what to change to make your resume more ATS-friendly and increase your chances of getting noticed. Once the analysis is complete, SmartApplicant presents a list of personalized suggestions for improving your resume. At this stage, take your time to carefully go through each recommendation. These action points highlight what's missing, what needs to be adjusted, and how you can optimize your resume for applicant tracking systems. The best way to use this feature is to apply each suggestion one by one directly to your resume. By making these targeted improvements, you gradually transform your resume into a stronger, more competitive document that stands a much better chance of passing ATS filters and impressing recruiters. After applying the suggested improvements, the user comes back to SmartApplicant and uploads the updated resume for another scan. This process of scanning, reviewing suggestions, and making improvements is repeated as many times as needed. With each cycle, the resume becomes sharper, more tailored, and more ATS-friendly. In our case, after a few iterations, the ATS score jumped from a poor 40% all the way up to an impressive 80%. This shows how powerful SmartApplicant is, helping you refine your resume step by step until it's fully optimized and ready to land you more interviews. After logging into the app, the user is taken straight to the dashboard, where they upload their resume. Once uploaded, they click on the Analyze Resume button to check how well their resume matches their desired job description. On the analysis page, they select the uploaded resume, fill in the job title, and paste the full job description into the provided text area. After clicking the Analyze button, the system begins processing. A loading screen shows the resume is being analyzed, and after a short moment, the results appear. The analysis presents 2 main parts. First is the ATS compatibility analysis, which shows the resume scoring 80%, a good sign that the document is already optimized for applicant tracking systems. The second part is the job matching analysis, which compares the resume against the job description. Here, the suitability score comes back low, only 25%. The breakdown explains why. Missing important keywords, lacking certain educational qualifications, or not having key certifications. Each section of the resume is compared to the requirements in the job description, showing matched content versus missing requirements. For example, if the job prefers a master's degree but can also consider a bachelor's, and the resume only lists a bachelor's, the score for that section is 50%. But if the bachelor's alone is the required qualification and it's present, that section scores 100%. Beneath this breakdown, the system provides AI-generated suggestions to guide the user on how to improve their resume. The next scene shows the user carefully going through these suggestions and updating their resume accordingly. After making changes, the user runs the analysis again. This process of refining and reanalyzing continues until the suitability score improves. In this case, after the second round of updates, the score rises dramatically to 85%, showing that the resume now strongly matches the job requirements.
At this stage, the user now has a resume that is both ATS compatible and tailored with the right qualifications to match their desired job. With this solid foundation, they can take advantage of another powerful feature in the app, rapidly tailoring their resume to any specific job posting in less than 2 minutes. We'll show exactly how that works in a separate video. For now, the user is equipped with a strong, optimized resume and is ready to confidently explore the global job market for their desired role.